What's up, juggalos, and anyone else tuning into my channel? Here we go. Another unboxing. This one is very, very special to me because I have completed a goal of mine that I've been wanting to complete forever and a day. I have picked up my unicorn, as you could call it. Picked it up, if you could tell, that's eBay tape. This is how they packaged it. Packaged it pretty good. Now, I've never seen wrapping paper like this before. I thought it was pretty different. So, here we go. And I order quite a bit of stuff off eBay and Amazon. What's in the package? What do we got? He called it his unicorn. What is his unicorn? So, we're almost there, I hope. Oh, what is it? What is it? We're almost there. Now, would you look at that? Insane Clown Posse, the Pendulum Tome graphic novel. There's that. The Pendulum Tome graphic novel, From the Heights of Shangri-La to the Depths of Hell. The 12-issue Pendulum comic book series follows the bizarre story of Insane Clown Posse's Violet J and Shaggy Two-Dope. Fighting the demonic forces of the vile Kilnor, these prophets of the Dark Carnival face many unearthly foes, not to mention a few inbred rednecks and crooked cops along the way. This full-color graphic novel contains all the following comics, including all covers. Insane Clown Posse number 3, Pre-Pendulum Prologue. The Pendulum 1 through 12 Complete Series. Hallowicked number 1 Special Halloween Release. Bonus CD, the complete Pendulum album featuring all 14 tracks from the Pendulum series. The Pendulum Tome tells the entire story in one massive graphic novel. Be there as Violet J and Shaggy strive to fulfill their mission to bring bloody justice to the deserving as the world prepares for the final battle. Watch as the wickedly righteous forces of the Dark Carnival do battle against the depraved minions of the Nether Void. The pendulum swings toward you. Grab on. So, this is the graphic novel. Now, this is not my unicorn. Well, that's part of the unicorn. The icing on the cake. The icing on the cake came with this graphic novel, and that would be this right here. ICP. The Pendulum album. Intro. I Don't Care. The Great Show. Toxic Love. Are You Wicked? Ain't nothing but a bitch thing. $50. Santa Claus, The Amazing Maze, Confessions, Superstar, and Run. Chaos Comics, Psychopathic Records. 2002. There it is. That is my unicorn. I have been looking for this CD to add it to my collection forever and a day. And I am so happy that I've been able to complete that goal. It's been a goal of mine for a very long time. Yakima. Juggalo. The Pendulum graphic novel. The Pendulum album. Oh! Before I forget, that's what it looks like, the CD itself. It's the actual CD. Very cool. I am so happy to add this to my CD collection. And the graphic novel. Whoop whoop. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Very, very happy Juggalo today. This is Yakima Juggalo signing out. Much motherfucking wicked clown love.